In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the brake light bulb on your 2014 to 2018 Mazda 3 sedan. It's a very easy process, only takes about 2 minutes, so let's go ahead and get started. Now we need to open up the trunk first. That's the rear turn signal bulb, and that is the brake light bulb. In order to access the bulbs, we need to peel that cover off. The cover is held on in place by two clips, one over there and the second one over there. This car doesn't have it. To get the clip off, you need to get a flathead screwdriver, a small one like that. Use that to pry out the middle part of the clip and then pull the clip off. Simple as that. Once you do that for both the clips, you can easily access the bulbs over there. And there's a lot of space. I can easily put my hand in there. Now the one with the blue connector, right there. Twist it left and out it comes. That's the one for the brake light. So once the bulb holder is out, pull the bulb out and there it is. Let's take a closer look at the bulb itself. It's got two filaments inside it for two different functions, brake light and tail light. The replacement bulb size is T20, T as in Tom, T20 or 7443. So get the bulb back in place, put the bulb holder in, make sure it's sitting flush, and then twist it right to lock it in place. Just like that. That's it. Now we can put the pins back in. When you're putting the pin back in, make sure the center part of the pin is pulled all the way outside. And then push the pin in, push in the center part, and you're done.